Yeah, good morning, everyone. So yesterday again we saw US market coming off, mainly on account of the yesterday Fed minute got released, and that was indicating that the rate cycle is not yet over. Fed has indicated that there could be rate increase. The employment data is very strong, and that can lead to higher inflation. As such, they need to be more data driven, and there could be further rate increase as well. So that has had an impact on the overall market, and the US market came out. And today morning, even the Asian markets are also seeing some impact of that. And we are seeing corrections in most of the Asian market by around anywhere between 0.5 to 1%. But what we had seen in last few days that the Indian market is showing a very strong trend. We had seen very good quarterly results season in this quarter, which has ended on 14th. But uh, the corporate results were comparatively strong, though we had seen run up in the stock also. But uh, because of the strong corporate earnings, we are seeing support to the market, even if the US market or even the international markets are coming off. So that situation can continue in the coming period as well. And as the international market revive, we may see even run up in the Indian market as well. So need to be not to be driven by decline in the international market. Commodities are showing more of a flattish trend, though oil is down by around $1, but other commodities are more of a flattish. I'll request technical team to take up from here.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Good morning, all of you. See, last two trading session, we saw that market open a gap down and again pull back rally for intraday. But upside immediate resistance phase around 19,500, If Nifty break that level, then we expect further rally. Otherwise, we saw the again pressure and again gap down open. And if today's session Nifty break the 19,300 in closing basis and close below, then we expect further sell off to be continued towards 19,000 and below that level. So today you open a gap down for intraday, but if we manage to sustain 19,370 after gap down first half an hour, then we again see the some pullback rally. But if Nifty break that level 19,370 and trade below that first half an hour, then we expect this pressure to be continued towards 19,300 and 19,270 at downside. Bank Nifty also facing an immediate resistance 44,200 in upside. And last two trading session we saw that some pressure in banking stock also. But in intraday pullback rally we saw that last yesterday also. But today again Bank Nifty trading below the 44,000. Then we expect this pressure to be continued towards 43,870, 43,500 at downside. Upside intraday resistance for Bank Nifty 44,200, 44,340. Above that we expect further rally. But till the date this facing an immediate resistance for Bank Nifty. Nifty Finance also facing same condition. Upside 19,670 is the first immediate resistance. And downside for intraday 19,540 for first support. Below that we expect further sell off towards 19,470, 19,350. So last four trading session we saw that Nifty facing upper side resistance and trading within the range by Nifty 19,300, Bank Nifty 44,000, and Fins Nifty downside 19,500 range. Below that, all three range, then we expect further sell-off to be continuing market. Stock specific, SCL Tech looks positive, IT looks positive at current level, TCS also looks positive at current level. Negative side, Bajaj Finserv look weak at current level. Aisha Motor also looks weak at current level, and UPL also trading the below the important support level. So we expect UPL in negative side to be continued. Downside, next immediate support place around 570. Below that, we expect further sell off towards 540 level. So that's it for technical. Derivative guy can carry.
Yeah, thank you. Good morning, everyone. So on the derivatives front, as you are seeing that from last two trading session, Nifty is strongly holding the support of 19,300, which I mentioned that 19,300 to 19,200 will act as an important supportive zone. While on the resistance front, we are seeing that at 19,500 to 19,650 is the range for the resistance zone for the Nifty. Once if Nifty goes above 19,650, then only new fresh buying will be witnessed in the market. From two trading session, we are seeing that the pullback has been witnessed from the supportive levels, but it's not going above the resistance zone which we are seeing at 19,500 and 600 level. There is a highest correlator position so on that both the strike, while on the downside also we are seeing that in yesterday's session almost around 15 million positions of a put writer got added between the range of 19,400 to 300 strike. So Nifty is likely to remain in the range bound session for next 1 to 2 trading session. In today's session, also Nifty is likely to open on the gap down note around 19,400 level. So for the intraday basis, the strategy would be once if Nifty comes in the 19,350 to 19,320 range, new long positions can be initiated for the pullback zone with the support of 19,300. And on the upside, we might again see the pullback towards 19,450, 480 levels. While India VIX has yesterday also increased and gave closing at 12.13. As in the previous sessions, also as I have witnessed that once if India VIX goes about 13.5 level, then only the confirmation will come for the new short positions to be in the market, which will create a more panic situation. And at that point of time, we will see Nifty to go below 19,200 also. So we should wait for the aggressive short positions. Only India VIX goes about 13.5 level and Nifty goes below 19,200 level, then only aggressive shorts need to be created. At this point of time, we will see the market is likely to remain in the range bound session, while we are seeing against it that the PCR yesterday closed at 1.12 level. This is a positive sign. Once in today's session, if PCR goes above 1.18 level, then the pullback will be seen on the intraday basis from the PCR data point. So overall market seems to be on the range bound zone, but the stock specific front we are seeing that from the mid cap small cap front the market is been the supportive ground. So hold a long position with the strict stop losses. While on the positive front, the stocks which we are seeing that the fresh OI positions has been got added in yesterday's session was Escort, Dr. Reddy, and Syngin. This counter has shown some fresh long positions. While on the negative front, Pidilite, Divis Lab, and ABR, ABFRL, these three counter looks negative for today's trading session. So that's it from the derivative front. Thank you.
Good morning. The Cabinet Committee on Economic Affairs has approved seven projects for multi-tracking of railways at an estimated cost of 32,500 crores under the PM Gati Shakti National Master Plan. This news is large for companies like RVNL and ERCON and should be taken positively. Thank you.
Yeah, yesterday we attended the con call of Everest Kanto cylinder, and company has indicated that the demand destruction is on the cascade side of cylinders, though US and Dubai operations are doing reasonably okay, but India operation is seeing decline. That is mainly because of the decline in the cascade business, which is forming around 30% of the total business, and that is seeing competition from composite cylinders. So company has indicated that they are also entering composite cylinder. They got the technology in their US subsidiary, which is even in India also they had approval of PESO, which is the regulatory body, and are also approved by the IOC, BPCL, HPCL, which are normally buying cascade. So in future, whichever the tender will be there, then they will be participating in the cascade business also. But looking at the near term demand is soft, and the results can continue to remain impacted in the coming quarter until and unless they get good order for the cascade business in composite cylinder. So overall outlook from here is more of a neutral for the company. Now request the commodity team to take up from here.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much. Good morning, everyone. Um, in yesterday's session, we had witnessed a pullback in precious metal, and again it started correcting. All in all, gold looks weak below 58,700. So, selling with a stop loss of 58,910 is recommended, and on downside, we are expecting 58,500 to 58,200 levels. So, watch out for weakness below 58,700. Silver also yesterday witnessed some pullback till 7,400 odd levels, but again started to witness selling pressure from higher end. Should be weak below 69,700. So as long as it is holding below that, we expect prices to correct till 69,000, 68,700. Crude oil also uh, witnessed selling pressure throughout the day, and uh, we recommend to sell around 6,800, sorry, 6,700 with a stop loss of 6,780. On downside, again, 6,600, 6,550 is the area we are looking for to take profit, and one can also initiate a buy around 6,550 for a pullback and maintain a stop loss of 6,480. Uh, Natural gas yesterday witnessed sell of and prices though is holding the support area of 215. So pullback is expected. So for a trading purpose, one can initiate a buy for a pullback till 220, 227, 230, and again maintain cautious. Or one can also uh, sell with a stop loss of 236, and again, so all in all looks in a range from 235 to 215. So one can trade within this range. Um, in metal also we expected a pullback, and again prices corrected. So prices are supportive at 718 in copper. Uh, could be in this range from to 718 to 725. So one can trade within this range. Um, uh, in zinc also, we are expecting a pullback till 212. Then again, selling pressure should be witnessed. So selling strictly with a stop loss of 214 is recommended, and one can cover around 209, 208 levels. So that's it from me. I'll ask Utkarsh to take over the call forward.
Thank you, sir. Very good morning, all of you. For today's trading session in USD INR, one can initiate a long positions in the range of 82.02 to 83.02 from 82.98 levels with a strict stop loss of 82.90 for the target of 83.16 and 83.25 levels. In JPY INR, one can initiate a long positions above 105.68 levels with a strict stop loss of 105.29 for the target of 105.96 levels. In Euro INR, one can initiate a long positions if we get some more profit booking around 90.18 to 90.24 levels. One can initiate a long position in the lower range with a stop loss of 90 and for the target of 90.47 and 90.64. Thank you.